and welcome to my first Read Write Ink sounds video. So I've got lots of sounds here and I know you're going to be having a look at these later, okay, as part of your learning for Friday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through all the sounds and you're going to say them at home, okay, and I'm going to say them after you. So we'll start off with a really easy one. Are you ready? Ah, well done. D. T. I. P. G. O. K. K. O. Well done. B. E. Excellent. O. Remember, make sure you do the sounds. Special friend. Shh. J. Well done. Y. W. Special friends. Excellent. Z. Ch. Qu. X. Special friends. Ng. Last one. Special friends. Nk. Excellent. Now, next week, I will show you the back of the cards so we can link it with your writing. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed these ones today and we'll have a look at set 2 next time as well. Okay, so make sure you have a look at these and you can remember doing your super speedy sounds. Well done. See you soon.